recent years, under the background of energy saving and low carbon, energy-saving buildings has become the highlight of all walks of society. Singyes is specialized in developing and providing clean energy solutions for the world. Among its capabilities, BIPV, the perfect combination of clean energy and building construction, is the key achievement by Singyes, who is also one of the key players in leading the BIPV technology in the world. You probably have seen the concepts or pictures that could be explaining BIPV, but you still can't understand the production process and how to judge the quality of BIPV modules. Now, this video is going to lead you into the behind-the-scenes production of Singyes factory. I hope the tour is informative to you in the structure and manufacturing of the BIPV modules. First of all, let's have a brief introduction to the materials of a BIPV module. The silicon wafer. There are various colors to choose. The most conventional ones are blue and dark blue. There are also red, green, and gray. Conductive tape. Bus bar. PVB film. There is also the EVA film which regular modules use, but usually PVB film is applied to building integration because of its higher strength, stronger ultraviolet performance, and higher temperature resistance. Thus it can be used under extreme weather conditions like in Africa and the Middle East. Glass, terminal box, and cable. When all the materials are ready, we first place the glass properly and lay a piece of PVB film on it. Next, we start to assemble the module. Prepare a number of silicon cells based on the design drawings, test each of them, and then put together those of the same result. Solder the conductive tape onto the main grid line on the front of the cells. The length of the soldered tape should be 2 times longer than one side of the cell. Place all cells in array according to the designed layout. Connect the extension of the tape on one cell to the electrode on the back of the next cell. All cells should be properly connected to evolve into a positive and negative electrode in the end. During soldering, if chipped or wrongly soldered cells are found, they should be replaced with new cells or resoldered. After all needed solar cells are ready in rows, put them onto the prepared glass and locate each cell into the right spot according to the drawings. This soldering process can be mechanized. Singyes has employed the most advanced automatic welding equipment in the domestic China, which greatly improved the production efficiency. When the cells are well placed, all tapes reached out from each array are connected together with the bus bar. The bus bar is then connected to the spot where the terminal box will be. After properly soldering the bus bar, cover another PVB film on the cells, and then cover with the exterior glass. Make sure the connection is normal, then seal all the layers. Next is to laminate, which is the most important and difficult job when fabricating BIPV panels. Due to the uneven and interconnected cells between the glass and the PVB film, using ordinary laminating technique under heat and pressure, bubbles will easily come out. Cell could be broken. Soldered tape could come off. The whole panel then becomes defect. This is the very difference between manufacturing a BIPV panel and an ordinary solar module. Singyes employs the pressure pan technique. Vacuumize the well-packed panel, put it into the pressure pan, then heat up the pan to melt the PVB to make the cells and glass firmly stick together. Then cool down the pan and take out the panel. The main opening of the pressure pan is sealed by A-type double sealing method. By line contact between crown faces and flat surface, The rest of the openings are well sealed thanks to the perfect cleanliness of the interface. The cover of the pan is equipped with a pressure gauge, a security device, a liquid valve, and a temperature sensor, making it easy to monitor and control the situation inside the pan and ensuring safe operation. The lamination process is the key step in the production of BIPV modules. Due to the wafer's fragility, breakage is unavoidable, so are the bubbles inside the panels. It is impossible to repair defect BIPV panels because of its special manufacturing procedure. Defects can't be used anymore. The low rate of final BIPV products is the main reason why the panels are always expensive. Singyes has made lots of effort in improving automated manufacturing and pressure pan technique for the sake of increasing the final product rate and for the sake of bringing more benefit to its customers. After cooling down and solidification of the BIPV panels, it is time to assemble, clean and test them to ensure the performance and quality. When testing is done, the panels are transported to the packaging area. Wooden boxes and foam are usually used to protect the panels from damage during shipment. Singyes monitoring system is capable to collect ambient data like local radiance, ambient temperature, and solar panel temperature with the help of necessary sensors. It can also generate performance report and display the real-time power output, daily electrical power yield, total power yield, on-grid voltage and on-grid current. Fault alarming is an outstanding feature for such intelligent monitoring system. Voltage and current abnormality at both AC and DC side can be detected. Islanding, abnormality of frequency, earthing error can also be found and alarmed. Moreover, the monitoring system can analyze historic data and output the results. Regarding the Louvre Abu Dhabi project, we selected solar cells with the color similar to white granite, connect them into 6x3 arrays, and finish the manufacturing. Once the production is complete, we will start to carry out framing and on-site installation. Now, please watch the demonstration from Singyes of how to assemble and install the BIPV panels.